Welcome back to the Excel Mastery Series. In this chapter, we're diving into one of the most powerful features in Excel, tables and structured references. If you want clean data, easier formulas, and dynamic reports, tables are essential. Let's get started. To turn your data into a table, start by selecting the entire range using Ctrl+A. Now press Ctrl+T. You can also go to the Insert tab and click Table. Excel automatically detects the full dataset and asks if your selection includes headers. Click OK, and your data becomes a structured table. Once the table is created, a new tab appears on the ribbon called Table Design. This is where you'll find every tool you need to customize, format, and manage your table. In every table, each column header includes a built-in filter button. For example, clicking the drop-down in the food column lets you sort alphabetically, in ascending or descending order. You can also search. By typing chicken, for example, instantly filters the table to show only the chicken row. Filtering works for numbers too. For example, in the price proportion column, select Number Filters, choose Greater Than in the next window, and enter 500. Excel displays only the items priced above 500. You can even filter by cell color if you have highlighted rows. These filters make it easy to explore your data, spot patterns, and focus on exactly what you need. When you click inside your table, Excel opens the Table Design tab. In Table Styles, you can hover to preview different themes, switching your table from yellow to blue to green with just one click. You can toggle banded rows to turn alternating colors on or off. Excel also lets you emphasize certain columns. Turning on first column highlights the date column. Turning on last column highlights the sales amount column. If you prefer a minimal style, choose None from the Table Styles gallery. The table stays fully functional, just without the extra colors. These options help you create a clean, readable, and professional-looking report. One of the biggest advantages of Excel tables is structure references. Instead of using cell addresses like A2 or C5, Excel uses clear names based on your table's column titles. For example, when writing a formula in the price proportion column, Excel suggests at price proportion. This simply means use the price value in this row. To increase the price by 10%, your formula becomes price proportion times 1.1. Excel automatically fills this formula down every row without dragging. Structure references also make summary formulas simpler. Instead of writing some C2 to C10, you can write sum of table name, square bracket, sales amount. If you add a new food item like turkey, the formula updates automatically. No editing needed. Structured references make your formulas cleaner, smarter, and easier to maintain. Every Excel table has a name like Table 1. You can rename it to something meaningful. Go to Table Design, locate table name, and type a clearer name, such as Food Sales Table. This makes your formulas easier to read and manage, especially in large workbooks. Excel tables also include a feature called the total row. To turn it on, click anywhere inside your table. Go to Table Design and check Total Row. Excel adds a new row at the bottom with drop-downs for each column. In the sales amount column, selecting Sum calculates the total of all prices in the table. You can also choose average, count, max, min, and more. And the total row updates automatically. If you add a new row, such as turkey, priced at $1,500, the total updates instantly. It's a simple way to keep your calculations accurate at all times. One of the most useful features of Excel tables is that they expand automatically as you add new information. Here's how it works using our food price table. Let's say your table currently ends with the last food item you entered. If you click the first empty row and type a new entry, for example, date, 21 November, food, turkey, price proportion, 2,000, quantity, 1. As soon as you press enter, Excel instantly extends the table to include this new row. The alternating row colors continue. Your formulas copied down automatically, and your filters adjust to include the new data. The same thing happens horizontally. If you move to the first empty cell on the right side of your table and type a new column header, for example, category, Excel detects it and expands the table to add a brand new column. You never need to resize your ranges or adjust your formulas manually. The table grows with your data, making it perfect for entries you update daily, weekly, or continuously. And that wraps up this chapter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next chapter.